Hey family, do you need a kitchen faucet? Don't want to spend $200? I'm going to show you one. It's a waterfall kitchen faucet that's at Amazon for under $40. Look at this. And you see that? You want your water to come out that way? The pressure is phenomenal. A lot better than I had in my old faucet. Oh, but you're saying, Buffy, you said it was a waterfall. I don't see a waterfall. Do you see a waterfall now? Look at it. It's hot, it's cold. Now you're asking, does it have a sprayer? Not only does it have a sprayer, you see that? That's the sprayer in the stream. That's just a sprayer. Waterfall. Steady stream. I've got to refill one of my dog's spotter dishes. I told you that pressure was real fast. Watch how fast it's going to fill this water dish up. Look at it. I don't give them that much water because, you know, I don't want to spill it when I carry it back to their feeding stations. This is the GIMILI, G-I-M-L-I. I'll put the link to it on Amazon in the description. Today is the 14th. I know I checked it yesterday and it had a 15% off coupon on top of the $32.99. Oh, and I forgot. Look at this. And the way I have it set up, it can go over my sink if I wanted it to. So turn it back on. So bring it this way. I'm gonna put a pic of my old faucet. It was way too big for my sink, and it had that like spring or coil thing on it. My sister hated that thing, and I did too. And it had a spot on it down here. No matter what I washed it with, tried to clean it with, couldn't get that spot off. And let me tell you something, family. I called a plumber out here to put this in for me to switch it out because, you know, I'm scared to do it. Do you know they were gonna charge me $350 just to do that for a 20-minute job? I got a family friend who's a handyman. He came in, he said, give me what you want to give me. Oh, no, we don't do that. We gave him $200. I'm still ahead $150. And again, faucets like this, they're $200 at Lowe's. I went to my local Lowe's. I was like, oh, I'll go in here and get one. They had a different faucet. The cheapest one I found there at Lowe's was $99, but it wasn't a waterfall. So family, give your house a Christmas gift. Give yourself a Christmas gift and get this doggone waterfall faucet. I will put the link to this down below in the description, but I'm telling you, this bad boy is amazing. I love it. Look at that. Let's see if the sprayer works this way. I'm just playing with it because I'm having fun. Okay, sprayer doesn't work that way. Only works when it's vertical. But again, you get just a sprayer, or you can get a sprayer in the stream. Come on now, you can't beat that. Come on. Now, you know, nothing's perfect. So I'm gonna say one thing that I wish was a little different. I wish it came out a little bit further into my sink. Other than that, perfect. Because the other one was way up here. It was too doggone big. See, my hand is out of the screen of the camera. The faucet was just too big for my sink, and again, it had spots on it. I couldn't clean it off no matter what I used. This, just maintain it. I'm gonna keep it clean. And what I do like about it, because I have a one-hole sink opening for my faucet, I can clean all the way around this, you know, when I want to clean off the counter. GIMILI, G-I-M-L-I. I love this thing. And it's the waterfall kitchen faucet with pull down sprayer. single hole handle kitchen sink faucet. They say it's a commercial modern faucet. I say, yeah, it is. Anyway, I love it. I'm not trying to sell you nothing. I'm just trying to say, if you need a faucet and you don't want to spend $200, get this for under 40 bucks. And don't forget to use that coupon. Thanks for watching, family. Remember, trust Buffy. I got you, boo. I got you. Till the next video, all the best to you and yours. Bye for now.